How does fast fashion contribute to environmental degradation? Have you ever wondered how the clothes you buy impact the planet? Fast fashion, which is all about quick and cheap clothing, plays a big role in environmental degradation. Let's break down how this happens. First off, the production of fast fashion items uses a staggering amount of water and energy. To give you an idea, making just one cotton shirt requires around 2,700 liters of water. That is enough water for an average person to drink for over 2.5 years. The entire textile industry consumes about 93 billion cubic meters of water each year. This accounts for roughly 4% of all freshwater extraction globally. Such heavy water use can strain supplies, especially in areas already facing water shortages. Next, let's talk about pollution. The fast fashion industry emits approximately 1.2 billion tons of greenhouse gases annually. This accounts for about 10% of total global carbon emissions. To put that in perspective, it is more than the emissions from all international flights and shipping combined. Factories often releases untreated wastewater filled with harmful chemicals into rivers and oceans, worsening water pollution and harming marine life. Another major issue is textile waste. Globally, consumers throw away around 92 million tons of textiles each year. Projections suggest this could rise to 134 million tons by the year 2030. Most of this waste ends up in landfills, with about 85% in the United States alone. Synthetic fibers can take hundreds of years to break down, releasing microplastics into the soil and waterways. When we wash synthetic clothing, tiny microfibers are released into the oceans, adding to plastic pollution that affects fish and other marine creatures. Even animal-based fibers, like wool, contribute to environmental harm through greenhouse gas emissions and habitat loss due to deforestation. From a liberal viewpoint, which values individual freedom and market-driven innovation, the environmental impact of fast fashion highlights the shortcomings of unregulated neoliberal practices. The industry often externalizes environmental costs, meaning pollution and resource depletion are not reflected in the prices of their products. This situation shows a market failure and calls for policies that would make companies pay for the environmental damage they cause. To tackle the environmental issues linked to fast fashion, we can promote sustainable fashion options. This includes encouraging recycling and resale of clothing and implementing stricter environmental standards in manufacturing. These actions can help balance economic freedom with the need to protect our planet for future generations.